Your vendor wants to deal with you in cash. Would you like to transact in cash or insist on bank payments? Transacting through a bank account is advantageous. It helps in creating evidence of transactions, helps in ascertaining business cash inflows. It also helps in keeping track of all transactions. It helps in formalization of business and also creates a banking history, which helps in getting loans and in business expansion. It is important to segregate business transactions from personal transactions. Having a separate bank account for business helps in clearly understanding the business revenues and expenses. It keeps a track of cash inflows and outflows. When you apply for bank loans, the bankers consider bank statements as an important document to ascertain business cash flows. So having a separate bank account helps in availing loan. Registering your business helps in creating an identity for the business and is a step forward towards formalization of the business. Registering the business helps in compliances, in availing relevant government schemes, and also gives comfort to financial institutions in financing the business. Registering your business helps in creating an identity for the business and is a step forward towards formalization of the business. Registering the business helps in compliances, in availing relevant government schemes, and also gives comfort to financial institutions in financing the business. Credit can help businesses in multiple ways. It can help business expansion through investment in capital assets. It can help in working capital management and managing liquidity. Bank loans can help in smoothing the cash flow at times when there is a requirement for cash. You need 3 lakh rupees to expand your business. You come across an agent. He says you will never get a loan from a bank or it may take many weeks. Instead, he knows a money lender in the market. He will just keep your shop ownership papers and give you a loan in minutes. What would you do? One should never get in the trap of informal agents and money lenders. They may take high interest and even dupe you of your money. It is always better to go to formal institutions, even if their process may take more time. With formal institutions, there is transparency. You know their product and process. They even have a grievance redressal mechanism to address your complaints. In the present age, things are evolving fast, and it's important that businesses are not just aware of these changes, but also keep pace with the changing designs, technology, and overall environment. Businesses that do not innovate or change ultimately lose to competition. Customers often have a choice of sellers and service providers. They tend to deal with those vendors who provide them with the best experience. Good experience can be in the form of interpersonal relationship, product display in shops, hygiene, professional communication, and product range. It is observed that buyers are often willing to even pay a premium if they get a good overall experience. In the present age, things are evolving fast, and it's important that businesses are not just aware of these changes, but also keep pace with the changing designs, technology, and overall environment. Businesses that do not innovate or change ultimately lose to competition. Which among the following is a government scheme for financing micro enterprises? Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana is a scheme launched in 2015 for providing loans up to 10 lakhs to non-corporate, non-farm micro enterprise. These loans provided under this scheme are classified as Mudra loans. These loans are provided by commercial banks, regional rural banks, small finance banks, and NBFCs.